It's time to try and ride in the rain. I'm not looking forward to it. Oh, fucking dick. That bridge is an asshole. It knew I was coming. It was like, hey, check this out. And it dropped a load of splooge all on my face. Come on, motherfucker. Dumbass. I'll tell you one thing. I will keep my fucking brights on because I need people to see me. Back the fuck off! Back the fuck off! You fucking dickhead, back the fuck off! I will break your fucking mirror. Not really, but dickhead. It's raining, people are fucking in traffic, and you're fucking driving like a douchebag. Fuck you. And my GoPro's about dead. My phone's about dead. Fucking, if I go down, I don't know, I might be just fucked. I'll have to have somebody help me. But people around here are assholes. They won't stop to give you the time of day. Fucking some shit's gonna happen. Are you still able to see? Are you clean? Let me clean you off. Fuck, my garage door opener might not work if it's getting this wet. Fucking pants are. Are you kidding me? I'm almost out of gas too. Could it get any better? I'm gonna pull an Adrian Nickelodeon. Sorry man, a starving artist, homeless. Student lost. Nope, need the air. Need the air. Ready for everybody to look at me like I'm a fucking idiot? Because I'm not. How's it going, man? Picking up an order. They're all probably thinking like, what an idiot. What is that guy doing? Coming in all soaking wet for fucking Chop Stop? I wouldn't do that. Yeah, well, you're not me. You don't love your wife like I love mine.
If I only had one helmet, I would give it to you. Give it to you.
Oh, fuck. Now it's real wet. Beautiful. Here, check this out. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That water, though. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck's the point now? My gloves are fucking drenched. Yeah, go ahead. I'm just, sitting in the rain and everything. It's cool. While you sit in your fucking car and you're all warm and comfortable, I'll just wait out here for you. Well, thank you so very much for running that light. And you, on your phone. Fuck, she's got her map out and she's looking at her lap. It's like, that's the most dangerous thing, because then you gotta look all the way the fuck down just to look back up again. It's like, that... Your eyes are as far from the road as possible. To freeway or not to freeway? That's actually a legitimate fucking question right now. Usually it's like, fuck it, freeway. What are you thinking, dumbass? Just go there faster. But now I'm like, is faster the best? Or is slower the best? Oh, I guess I'm going side streets. Oh, is that the starving artist? Yep, that's the starving artist. gonna go back to Starbucks where it's nice and warm. Man, that's how you become an artist. You gotta rough it. You gotta suffer. Feel the pain. Get into your art, brother. Motherfucker. You stay where you are. Well, get out. I don't give a shit. You run out on me and I break my legs hitting your car, I will stand up and walk on those broken legs so that I can punch you in the fucking gonads. Fuck, it's so wet. Ah, it's just like your mother. That one's for you, Twitch. Twitch to neutral. Love your shit, even though you just started like me. Ooh. That's juices. Look at that squirt in action. Squirt. Squirt. Windshield wiper activate. Alright, here we go. It's my turn. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh dear God. Oh dear God. There's water. There's puddles. My arms are soaked to the bone. That's such a weird saying. I'm soaked to the bone. What you think is your skin is just drenched all the way down to the bone, into the bone marrow. But what it really means is your mom is so wet that when she sat on my lap, she soaked my pants down to my boner. Fuck you. Fucking light. Fuck you, you fucking... Oh, puddle! Thank you, car, for signaling that shit. Woo! I'm glad they hit that, because I would have hit that, and that would have been nasty. Pay attention to the cars and the puddles. Pay attention to the cars and the puddles they hit. Is it still recording? Fuck yeah, you're still recording. This GoPro's a champ. Although, watch, all my footage is gonna be shit. Oh my fucking dick suck. I made it. Made it, motherfucker. Surprise, motherfucker. Yes, please. What the fuck? Dicks. You're a dick. You're a dick. This is just gonna suck.